Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to change Canva Ruler's unity from inch to centimeters. So guys, what you have to do, for example, I open this calendar as you can see. If you want to choose or change the ruler's unity, click this option, resize. I have this meters as you can see here. Click resize option and click here your custom size. After that I have the pick, click this icon guys, and you see this option to change. For example, we want to add this one as you can see here, and click this one for example guys. And what we have to do guys, click for example and click this pixel to centimeter, and click for example 0 point and click this one and click resize this design guys. After that, what you have to do, click resize the design, and the design will be resized successfully as you can see here without any problem. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.